So now please turn to page 26 of your textbook. For question 1. There were 3,000 people in the morning. 1,530 people left at noon, and 875 more people left in the afternoon. How many people are there now? So we need to read the question sentence by sentence. The first sentence. There were 3,000 people in the morning. It only provides us that information, which is the total number of people in the morning. And the second line, 1,530 people left at noon. So, do you know which word is the key word? It would be left. What does mean left? Left means fewer people. That means minus. And also, 875 more people left in the afternoon. So there will be one more keyword. Left. It will be here, so, and it means minus in the afternoon. So, how many people are there now? Now we are going to use the method 1. We'll find out the answer by 2 steps. Step 1. We need to find out the number of people at noon first. Therefore, we write 3,000 minus 1,530. So at the column form, it will be 3,000 at top and then minus 1,530. For the unit place, 0 minus 0, it will be 0. And at the 10th place, 0 minus 3, which is not possible. Therefore, we need to borrow from the 100th place. But in the 100th place, it is 0 again. So therefore, we need to borrow from the 1000th place. So for the 1000th place, it will be 2 now. And for the 100th place, it will be 10. But we need to borrow 1 to the 10th place, so it will be 9. And the 10th place, it will be 10. 10 minus 3 for the 10th place equals to 7. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. And 2 minus 1 in the 1000th place, which is 1. So therefore, for step 1, the first answer will be 1,470. So for the sentence of the step 1, it would be there were 1,470 people at noon. Now we are going to begin to step 2. We need to use the first answer to calculate. That means 1,470 minus 875 people in the afternoon because they left. At the core form, it will be 1,470 870 at the top, and then minus 875. For the unit place, 0 minus 5, which is not possible. So therefore, we need to follow from 10th place. For the 10th place, it will be equal to 6 now. And for the unit place, it will be 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. And now for the 10th place, 6 minus 7, which is not possible again. So therefore, we follow from the 100th place. Now, the 100th place becomes 3. And the 10th place becomes 16. So for the 10th place, 16 minus 7 equals 9. And for the 100th place, 3 minus 8 is not possible. Therefore, we need to follow from the 1000th place. So there will be nothing for the 1000th place now. And for the 100th place, it becomes 13. 13 minus 8 equals to 5. So therefore, the final answer is 595. And for the sentence of the second step, it would be, there were 595 people now. So this is the method 1. We calculate the answer by 2 steps, 2 horizontal form, and 2 column form. As you remember, there will be a method 2. For this question, for the horizontal form, it would be 3,000 minus 1,530 minus 875. Step 1. It will be the same like method 1. And for step 2, we will do the column form in the same column form. That means we combine step 1 and step 2 in the same column form. And for the horizontal form, we need to write down the first answer, which is 1,470 minus 875. And for the third line, we will write down 595 for the final answer. This is the method 2. So we finish the question with 1 horizontal form, the first step, and the second step here. And we also do it with only 1 column form, with the step 1 and the step 2. So what about method 3? As you remember, there will be a method 3 for the addition of 3 numbers. But for subtraction, do we have method 3? Remember, there is no method 3 for subtraction of 3 numbers. You cannot do the subtraction by only 1 step. What does it mean? 3,000 minus 1,530 minus 875. we cannot do the subtraction of three numbers in this way. Why? Because it is too complicated. So now, please turn to page 27. For question 2, $4,530 people came to the lake on Sunday. So for the first sentence, it would be an information only. And the second line, there were 2,180 fewer people on Saturday than on Sunday. That means we are going to compare the total number of people on Sunday and Saturday. And 582 fewer people on Friday than on Saturday. That means the second step, we need to compare the total number of people on Saturday than on Friday. So the question is, how many people came to the lake on Friday? For the first part, the keyword will be fewer. It means minus. So we need to compare the number of people with the total number of people on Sunday. And the second step, the keyword is fewer again. It means minus. So for the second step, we need to compare the total number of people of Saturday and Friday. And for the first step, we will find out the total number of people on Saturday. Then we can compare the total number of people of Saturday to Friday. So now, please find out the answer by using method 2. Do you still remember what is method 2? It means that we only have one horizontal form. How about the column form? It would be 2 steps in the same column form. So now, please complete the question 2 in your textbook by method 2. And here is the homework. It will be on page 27 and page 28. Please fill in all the blanks on page 27. And finish all the questions on page 28 from question 1 to question 8.